Alright, this video is about commissions that people can earn, so another way of earning money. The definition seen there is that commission is a percentage-based fee paid to agents for sales. So you might work at a travel agent, you might get a base wage plus a certain percent of the amount of sales you make for trips, or you might be a car salesman and you might get a percentage of the total amount of sales you made per week. Or you might be a real estate agent and you're getting a percent amount of the actual sale price of the house. So let's look at this first example. I get 2% of the total sales I made in a week. Last week I sold $33,000 worth of goods. How much was I paid? So for this one, it's a percent of an amount. So we're getting 2% of the $33,000 of sales. Now remember how we write percent of amount? 2% is 2 per century. Of is mathematical equivalent of times, and the 33,000. So that amount was 660 for that week. Don't forget those decimals for the cents. And another quick example here. Lucy gets paid $500 a week and 1.5% of the sales she makes. Last week she sold $19,000 worth of goods. How much was she paid? So Lucy's getting the $500 like a base amount, base wage, base salary, and 1.5% of the sales, which in this case was $19,000. So the math is 500 plus 1.5 per century of $19,000, which is $785 for that week.